Every year around this time, there's a strange pressure to suddenly start dressing for fall. The problem is, it's usually still warm outside. At least where I live, on the French Riviera, September often feels more like an extension of summer rather than the beginning of fall. So, instead of putting away my summer wardrobe and reaching out for those chunky knits and boots, I like to make small styling changes that help my outfit feel much more autumn ready. Today, I'm sharing 5 outfit ideas that show exactly how I transition my summer wardrobe into early fall simply by changing a few key pieces while continuing to wear the clothes I already love.
Enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise.
One of my favorite pieces to wear throughout the summer is a pair of cream satin trousers. They are light, elegant, and incredibly versatile, so I don't see any reason to stop wearing them just because the calendar says it's September. So instead of styling them with a linen shirt or a simple tank top like I would in the middle of the summer, I pair them instead with a crisp white button-up shirt. This small change instantly gives the outfit a more polished, structured feel. For accessories, I choose these neutral slingback heels because they still feel light enough for the warm weather, and my tan bag introduces a richer, warmer tone that subtly hints at the new season. If slingback heels aren't your thing, this outfit would also work just as well with loafers, minimalist ballet flats, or even sleek leather sneakers. Light wash denim is another piece I continue wearing well into the fall. Rather than replacing my jeans, I change what I wear on top. Instead of a sleeveless top or a lightweight t-shirt, I reach for a structured, long-sleeved blouse. The thicker fabric immediately changes the mood of the outfit while still being comfortable on those warm September afternoons. I kept the accessories simple with these black slingback heels. Loafers or ballet flats would also create a slightly softer look. This outfit is a great reminder that transitional dressing doesn't always mean darker colors. It often comes down to fabric and structure. Perhaps the easiest transition of all is layering over a summer dress. Rather than packing away a simple black dress, I add a lightweight trench coat. This dress still feels minimal and effortless, but the trench coat completely transforms the outfit. It becomes perfect for cooler mornings, cooler evenings, or even days when the temperature changes throughout the day. I finished the look with a neutral slingbacks to keep it elegant and a black shoulder bag for some structure. You could also swap the heels for loafers or ballet flats depending on where you're going. You could also use some sandals or high-heeled shoes. This is probably one of the simplest ways to extend the life of a summer wardrobe and make it look chic and elegant. This might be the easiest outfit in today's video. A simple, oversized white t-shirt is something many of us already own and wear all summer long. Instead of pairing it with shorts or light linen trousers, I style it with tailored black trousers and classic leather loafers. It is still effortless, but it feels much more refined. Adding a leather belt helps define the waist slightly, while a structured black handbag ties everything together. If you're heading to the office, you could easily swap the loafers for kitten heels. Or if it's still particularly warm where you live, a pair of elegant leather sandals would work beautifully as well.
Can't get enough.
For this look, the summer piece is the tan tailored trousers. Instead of wearing them with a linen shirt or a sleeveless top, I pair them with a lightweight black V-neck cardigan. I love this combination because it introduces a little warmth without feeling too heavy. One thing I often remind myself during this time of the year is that not everything has to change at once. I'm still wearing simple leather sandals because the weather allows for it. Keeping one summery element helps keep the outfit balanced and appropriate for the season. The chocolate woven bag also adds some texture and warmth, making the whole outfit feel richer without adding extra layers. I think one of the biggest misconceptions about transitional dressing is that it requires buying an entirely new wardrobe. In reality, it is often about making small intentional changes. A structured blouse instead of a tank top, a lightweight cardigan instead of bare shoulders, tailored trousers instead of linen, a trench layered over a favorite dress. Those little adjustments allow your wardrobe to evolve naturally with the season while making the most of the pieces you already own. I'd love to know which outfit was your favorite or whether you have your own go-to formula for transitioning from summer into fall. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir.
The finer things you keep from me, and then you touch, I feel so much. I just love what you do to me. I love what you do to me.